What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Skylar if this is your first time and you're watching Ginger Auto. Behind me is my Eg33 Turbo Impreza build that I'm working on, and I'm going to be opening up some parts that I have been waiting for. So as you can see in front of me, we have some CP pistons and some Manley connecting rods that I ordered for my higher horsepower build. Then over here I have my Eg33 manifold with my LS1 throttle body and my adapter I made. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I'll in the link above of how I made my adapter so I can run a single throttle body with my Eg33. So believe it or not, I ordered these two at the exact same time. This only took a week to get to me, and this has taken over 3 months. So I think the virus really slowed these guys down, but finally came, and that's what matters. So I figured I was going to do an unboxing with you guys and kind of see what I have here, explain what it is. So here we have just a pair of Manley rods that I ordered from Grip Weld Garage. So on their website they have all sorts of different things for the Eg33 engine, which is kind of rare to have for a company that you can just order standard things from. So here we have the 6 rods. Typically when you order, or typically in the past before the Eg33 started to get more popular, you would have to order 2 sets of 4-cylinder rods, but they have sets of 6 that you can buy for the Eg33, ranging from I-beams to these H-beams. I decided to go with the H-Tough H-beams just because I figured they would be plenty for my power goals. So here you can see them. Nothing real fancy, just typical H-beam connecting rods. But yep, I'm excited to finally get forged parts into my engine. Alright, so let's get to the exciting part. So as you can see, these are CP pistons that I ordered through Outfront. They are down in LA, and they are pretty reputable Subaru shop. So I started off by contacting CP, emailed them and said, hey, I'm interested in buying some forged pistons from you guys. What's the process that I need to do? And they replied back and said, yes, we have molds for the Eg33, and the companies that we deal with are Outfront and Real Street. And so since I'm in California, I decided to go with Outfront, kind of keep it local, and I've always liked them as a shop, so I wanted to support them. And Jeremy was really nice to work with. He got me taken care of, and then even though it was a slow process to get them, which typically for custom pistons you're going to be looking at least 5 to 6 week wait, but it took a lot longer, and he was really good at keeping me up to date and letting me know the status of everything. So let's get these open and see what they look like. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Alright, start off with my receipt from Outfront. And then we have pistons. There we go. So it looks like here from CP we have all of the specs of the pistons. So 3.3, here's the bore, stroke, compression ratio. So the stock Eg33 has a 10:1 compression ratio, and I wanted to drop that down a little bit to make it safer for boost. but also I wanted to keep it a little bit higher with the 9-to-1 so that I can still have that low end torque that the H6 is notorious for. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Here we have my ring sets all together. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a beautiful sight. Pretty light, lighter than I was expecting. I also got the upgraded wrist pins, which should allow for a little more power when I want it. These pistons should actually be able to handle 1,000 horsepower. I told Jeremy that I want capabilities of 1,000 horsepower. That way, if I ever want to go that route, then I'll have the pistons and wrist pins and everything to handle it. So awesome. I can now go to the machine shop and get this engine rolling. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Just want to do a short little video of me opening up the boxes and kind of see what it is, and hopefully give some information to you guys if you're wanting to go down the same route. So subscribe so you can keep up with this build. It's gonna get exciting here once I get this engine done, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.